Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a peeled, red-dyed egg at room temperature. This reduces chilling and keeps texture even. Once ready, hold the egg over a plate and use your thumbnail or a teaspoon to make a small opening at the wider end. You want just enough break to loosen the membrane without tearing the whole surface. This gives you control and preserves the visual red exterior. Make sure to tilt the egg slightly so juices collect. And breathe. This is the first deliberate step. Now continue by peeling in controlled, thin strips. Follow the membrane to avoid gouging the white. Once you've removed about 1/3 to 1/2 of the shell, pause and taste a small edge to evaluate saltiness and doneness. You're checking how the dye and any brine affected flavor. If you plan to use soy, chili oil, or a sprinkle of salt, add a small dab before taking larger bites so you can adjust. This gradual approach preserves texture and balances seasoning. Finish by slicing or biting the rest in comfortably sized pieces, alternating with rice or greens to balance flavor. If you notice it's too salty, make sure to eat it with plain rice or steamed vegetables to neutralize saltiness quickly. If the white seems rubbery, slice thinly and let it sit in a light sauce for a minute to soften before eating. One quick tip: if any dye transfers to your fingers, rinse under cool water and continue. This won't affect taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.